I'm going to quickly go through the use of the control panel. At the start, as you can see, we have on the left Auto. You select whichever recipe you want. These are quite easily set. Select the highlighted item and it goes to that recipe. If you need to change them, then all you do is select the parameter you want to change and press enter. You can see it's gone now from 3 minutes to 20 minutes. We don't wish this. We'll go back to 3 minutes. Disk speed, select the disk speed you want. We'll change it from 200 to 150, enter it. Head speed, change that from the 50 it was to 30. As you can see, it's all changed now. Remember, once you have changed the parameter, you must press save and send. That is now updated into recipe 3. As you can see, if we go from recipe 2 back to recipe 3, all those figures are saved in the microprocessor, so it's ready for use. Thank you. Hi, today we're going to quickly go through using the OmegaPol with the multi-doser. As you can see at the moment, the screen is on the auto screen. We go to settings and you'll see recipe 5. We can change the recipe number or whatever you want to call it. If you want to call it polishing, then you could just clear that and put in polishing phase 1. We're going to remain at recipe 5. If you need to change to different recipes, all you do is select whichever one you want to do. Select and it will highlight, but as I said, we're going to go on to recipe 5 today. To change the parameters, all you have to do is select the required parameter that you want to change. We'll change that from 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Enter. Disk speed will change to 250. Sample holder will change to 80. So that's the main parts of the machine set up. With the autodoser, this is the function at the bottom. You select the pump ident and then you set up the parameters for the pumps. As you can see, to change you just select, enter, switch the pumps on. Okay, at the moment we're selecting both pump A, which is going to be the lubricant, and pump B, which would be the diamond suspension. At the moment, because it's just a quick run through, we're not going to utilise the diamond suspension or lubricant. We're just going to use plain water, and also we're not going to use a polishing cloth. It's just a run up of the actual setup of the page. Okay, so we have all the parameters we want to set as recipe 5. Always remember to save and send. This then sets the settings into memory for recipe 5. Back to the auto screen and start. As you can hear and see, the pump is running and it's dispensing the liquid. It will continue on this set cycle until the completion of the timing. I'm going to pause now. As you can see now, we're down to the last 10 seconds of the cycle. The autodoser has completed its routine. The cycle has come to an end. This also shuts off the multidoser. All the settings that I used here was for demonstration purposes only, and not to be taken as a recommendation for a setting. It's just purely demonstration purposes as to how to set up. Thank you very much.